Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I want to go over my experiences with the Pixel 6a for the last 4 months now. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I want to discuss and give you an update on the Pixel 6a. I have been using it for almost 4 months now. I think it's about a week short, and I just want to give you an update on my experiences with the device so far. Y'all can call it a long-term review, but I've been having it for, like I said, almost 4 months now. Shout out to Team Pixel, hashtag gift from Google. In this video, I just want to discuss some of the things I like about it, some things I don't like about it, and then controversies that they had when they first released this phone. But as you can tell, it is in still good shape. It has the old camera style as far as the camera bump back there. But let's talk about the main controversy thing that everybody was talking about when it first released. The screen is bright. And the first thing that everybody wanted to talk about was this was a 6.1 inch screen, but it was only 60 hertz. It wasn't 90, wasn't 120, and that was a big deal. People were saying they could notice stuff, or they should at least do 90 hertz. To me, it is what it is. This panel at 60 hertz is not a bad panel. Could it be 90? Should they had 90? Probably so. But for what they aiming for and the market they aiming for this panel, it's not a bad panel. It looks beautiful. It's a 1080p panel, so for a lot of folks, it will work out for them. So yeah, for me, it's not a big deal. Wasn't a deal breaker. Even if I had to buy this phone, that wasn't a deal breaker. You could get this phone pretty cheap. They had some deals on it when it first came out, and a couple of weeks ago they even had more deals. If you stay tuned, they probably will have more Black Friday deals coming out, because they also released the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro. The overall build on this phone is great. A lot of people like the size of this phone. They like the feel. Again, it has the shiny back and the matte finish aluminum sides here. But for me, the thing that I love about this phone is that for the price, you get everything Google. You have Android 13 on it. You get all the software and camera features on here. You get some great cameras in the front, but the back cameras are really good. But you also get the Tensor chip from the Tensor chip Gen 1 in here, works great. I did a heavy gaming video on here, played the games really well, so gaming on here has been great. The dual speakers work really good, so when you're watching YouTube or Netflix on here, the speakers work really great too. The cameras, let me show y'all some pictures I took with the Pixel 6a. Y'all can let me know what y'all think about it in the comments. I mentioned it a little bit earlier, but you get all the camera features that you would get, say, on the 7 Pro, but you can shoot 4K at 60 on the rear cameras. The front camera is where this phone lacks. You can only do 1080p at 30, not even 4K at 30, or even 1080p at 60. So that's where the camera is a little funky in the front. Battery life, I can get a day of battery life with this phone and the Tensor chip. So again, the Tensor chip is great for AI features, for everything that Google is trying to do. And for this price, you can get into the Google ecosystem and not break your checking account or your bank account. So I think that's where Google wins with this phone. You don't have to spend the $899 to get into the Google ecosystem. You can spend $349, or I think this came out at $449 if I'm not mistaken. So you can get into the ecosystem pretty cheap, get all the experiences that you want. using this phone as an everyday phone, making phone calls, texting on here, doing simple things like Facebook, Instagram, you have no issues doing that. This could be someone's, and I know it is, their daily driver. Or if you're looking for just a backup phone, something that you want to have around, it's a great phone for that too. So my experiences with this phone, I would recommend this if someone's trying to switch over from Apple and trying to get into the Google ecosystem. Again, they don't have to spend the big bucks. Try this phone out, see how you like it. Maybe get the Pixel Watch and just get into the Google ecosystem, and they probably will enjoy it because it's pretty much simple stock Android with a lot of great features from Google, like screen calling, hold times. So there's a lot of great features in there. If you have the Pixel 6a, please let me know in the comments, what color you got, what size storage you got, and then also if you're enjoying it, maybe you're not enjoying it, I don't know why, but let me know. I like doing these type of videos, just giving my experiences with the phone after a few months. Yes, I have a lot of Pixel phones here. I have my Pixel 7 somewhere too. Yes, I have a lot of phones hanging around, but it's more about what can I bring to the community and see if my community has the phones and see if they feel the same way that I do. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 6a, the 7 Pro, and the 7. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, y'all, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.